What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Today we have a Halloween haunted village gingerbread kit.
Yep.
Here.
Yep.
So
You have
here it is.
Yeah. Here it is.
And instructions are on the back.
Yep. On back.
It comes with everything you need, really.
And
It comes with all the gingerbread cookies,
Mm-hmm.
your candies,
Which is candy corns, mini
Yep.
doll breakers, bats, and
the sanding sugar.
the
It comes with your whipped cream thing. So yeah, alright, we're gonna get started.
Yep.
Let's go.
Yep.
Alright, this is my happy taste to a very start of a very bad review. Okay, so we started off, right, happy and excited, thinking that this piping bag right here would work. It did not one bit. It was literally full of air, and and it was so hard to even get anything out of it.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was sad. So then we had to figure out another way. It didn't even end up piping the thing, so we just had to make a mess. And this is what we got.
Okay, I'm going to interrupt you for a second.
Okay,
The
yeah,
piping
do it.
bag popped. You forgot that part.
Oh yeah. When we were trying to even get some out, yeah, it popped.
Because there was too much air in it.
Yeah,
It
we were
popped.
trying-
So we had to put the icing in a different bag. But that didn't work either because it didn't want to pipe out of the actual tips that they gave us to pipe it with. So we just ended up with a mess.
Yep. And we're just making.
So now we're just making and decorating the cookies by themselves. The pieces
with,
of the
and
actual
even
cookies.
and even with the brown, the green
Sanding sugar stuffs.
We managed to get one that stood up.
Sprinkle some sugar on it.
But that was it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm mad.
Yeah.
Very mad.
But it was still fun though.
Yep. Well, now it's fun.
Oh, now it is. What is that?
Okay. So we'll
Yeah.
eat our cookies.
Yep.
Yep. All right. I'll
Not
see you guys.
recommended.
No, do not. Not.
We got this at Walmart. Not recommended.
Yep.
We thought it was gonna be easy. We thought it was gonna be good, but no.
No, not even
Not even a single bit.
Yeah, not even. This was probably like the worst.
Boo. Alright.
Yo, okay. Okay, yeah. If you guys like this video, smash the like button.
Comment down below.
Like, if you see this at Walmart, do not buy. Like, it is zero.
Yeah, it's not even good. Even a
So,
single
yeah.
bit.
Okay, join the Fizzy Squad by subscribing and turning on post notifications. I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.
Bye. We will see you on the next video.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Where's